Alright, so let's go check out the project car. Like I said, sometimes you get a little bored, gotta change it up, gotta step it up, do something different. So that's what we're gonna do. Definitely got a lot of work ahead of us, but we're gonna make it happen. So alright, so right now I'm in a Hellcat Charger, as you can see, but that's not what we're working with right now. We're doing something a little different, like I say. So, you know, anyone can build a Hellcat, but we're gonna take it back a little bit. Take it back to 05, where it all began with these LX cars, and we're going with a Dodge Magnum. So yeah, that's it. We got a 2005 Dodge Magnum. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. I call it the ugly duckling. But all the Mopar stuff started with the Magnum back in 05. You had the Magnum in 05, the Charger in 06, and the Chrysler 300 as well. Those were the OG cars, and so we took it back to one of the OGs. Never had a Magnum, always wanted one. And so over the next few months, we're gonna work on putting it together and turning it into a daily driver build. You know, something you can get in, slide around, not have too much attention on you, and you know, still be cool and, you know, look like you're working with something. And so, as you can see, we got a little body work done. Has leather inside. As with these older cars, the dashboard always cracked on them, and so on this dashboard it did crack. You know, it's a little warped. Over time, they all do that. And as you can see, one of the vents even popped out. You know, here goes the air vent right here. But once that dash warps, you're gonna have problems with getting your vents to stay in. Same thing with the radio bezel. Usually right here is where the radio bezel, when you start taking the bezel off and on, changing the radio out, it'll start loosening up right here, and you'll have to try and get your radio bezel to mount back firmly. So this one doesn't have that problem, but we definitely do have a warped dash. You know, if I end up needing to pull the dash out, I definitely will replace it. You know, we still got the airbag, missing the logo, and other than that, it's pretty much factory. So sunroof still works, and you know, it does have a Hemi. It's definitely not as loud or aggressive as the one we just got in. Let's see if we can crank it up real quick, but it's gonna get the job done, and it still moves like it's supposed to also. So even though we're talking about a 14-year-old car, this vehicle does still have some go, which is a good thing. So let's crank it up. Yeah, so we still got AC. Must have in Texas. Give it a little gas. About 160 on the dash. Miles, that is. We're gonna open the hood. Let me try that again. We're gonna open the hood. We're gonna open the hood, and that's for the engine bay that probably hadn't been cleaned in about 15 years, looks like. I did end up throwing the engine cover on here. I got it off one of the project cars we had. But other than that, it's completely factory, untouched. Just like the day it looked when I got it a little while ago. So, like I said, we got a little work ahead of us, but you know, it'll be a fun little project to make happen. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, like I said, we got a 2005 Dodge Magnum project car. We got a few things we're gonna do to it, and we thank y'all for watching it. And, you know, we'll see y'all on the next one.